Hello guys, I'm Alex.
And I'm Ina.
So today we are gonna play some Idle Jam. This is our first video. We are kind of nervous. And so today we are gonna show you around the Java world. First we are going to Java Township because that is the food. um, so we are going to Java because is the head of the whole world.
Yes.
This is our pelican, the ice pelican.
And no gems.
So,
Never mind.
here on Mondays, they have rare Mondays.
Yes.
So here you can buy all the rares. Excuse me. We are continuing. Here it's all the same. You can buy stuff, and on Mondays.
But on Mondays they have rare stuff.
Yes.
And
If you see this, I cannot.
it's for members.
Yes.
And you can buy. Because you got it. Okay.
If you have. Here you can see other jammers pictures.
And this is diamond shop.
Yes. Here you can buy animals on the road.
With diamonds.
Yeah,
But
animal
you
with
don't
diamonds.
have diamonds. I have 3, but
You can buy these if you're a member. If you don't, you can't. These are the pets for members, and they're super special.
and pony.
The pony is new here, and these are all of this.
It's wings. Everybody knows.
It has. It is a unicorn and a pegasi.
And
Here you can buy money, gems, gems with diamonds. This is the ultimate one.
yeah,
That's what we're doing. Expensive. In the diamond shop, you can buy armors.
friendship armor.
This is the pink one is the friendship. This yellow is a diamond. This gray is a spirit helm armor.
This is nature.
Mystical.
This
This
is
is ice.
And
And
it has iron, but
this, I have no idea what this is. Here,
you can
also,
find.
everything is with diamonds.
Yes.
So you see what you buy. On daily spins, you can win 1 diamond. You can buy this portal
Yes, it's
or trade it.
or you can buy this cloud. Snow.
This or this cloud.
Yes.
And it's not allowed. The other are not allowed.
And this.
It's
But if you are a member, you can buy
everything.
Yes.
If you have diamonds.
Of course.
These are the musics for your dead. All of them.
I have this. I have this. It's really nice. You can't buy it. No.
Oh, I didn't tell you. If you hit a like, if you had hit 1,050 likes, you'll see more Animal Jam videos, and I will get a membership for 6 months.
Never mind.
And
Let's
if you
continue.
find the secrets that we are gonna show in this video, comment down below if you find them.
This is Soul Arcade. And
We can play games.
yes, mini games. Of Animal Jam. The best is best dresses.
This is the best dress for us, but not for the boys. 'Cause they're stupid.
and falling pattern. Sorry.
This is the what was this? The club.
Gifts.
Here you can dance and everything. Another club. And here you can take pictures with your animal, like this. Yeah. Sorry about the coughing. These are games as well.
Yes, but they're not that
Good.
Yes, this is, but
Let me
no.
change my look. Let me change my look.
The look.
My look.
Oh,
This
you have
one.
one here.
I have only one rare.
I have 22.
I'm
laughing at you, Alex.
I'm jealous of you, Anna.
Yeah.
So we are continuing. Oh my goodness! We are continuing with the Apodale. Here you can buy pets. Stop playing. All of these are for members. Only
Except hamsters.
hamsters. You can buy these. You can buy these.
These things. It's on the screen. This is
If you're a member, you can. Just
in
see
green.
this.
Wait,
There we go.
I give you that for you. I think.
This is, I think, only for members. Yes, these are for members. Let me just log into Anna's, and I will show you.
Me.
And we are gonna put our usernames for Animal Jam if you want us in the comment down below. No, I didn't.
You don't see my password.
No, I didn't. I mean, stuff. Oh my
You're
goodness.
so funny.
Yes,
And give me
No.
mouse. What is my computer?
What have you done to the screen? Okay,
I don't
whatever.
know.
So we are gonna show you at the Apodile. What is this?
But don't.
Yes, I will not gonna buy it.
Don't.
If this is it,
I have
no, you don't have this.
Arctic wolf pet. No, princess, please. Not
Princess.
No.
Oh yeah. You can have this.
Yeah, but I don't want.
So you have
No.
some of these.
I want the.
And you have these. And I like the knife one.
What?
What happened? Then. Leave.
Yes.
Wait. You have an email. Bro, what I am. Chicken. Wait.
Who is this?
I am I'm recording for YouTube. Chicken. Wait. I am recording. Say hi. Come on, please. Yes. Wait. Go there. He's not responding, I think.
She's stupid. Okay, never mind. Let's go to my den. Fine. I have a crystal palace. You can see.
Because she's a member and I'm
a member. I'm Anna. Remember.
I'm a member.
And she's not a member.
So, I told you, if you have 100 likes on this video, I will be a member, and you will see more Animal Jam videos. Oh yeah,
I
and
want to be more. Never mind.
You're crazy. You're crazy women.
Let's continue.
No. We didn't show this
think. This.
If you jump in the mud, you will be all
Never
drowned. So, if you think that we will have all the Animal Jam videos, you're wrong. Because we are gonna have vlogs and Minecraft videos.
Yes, and Slenderman too.
Maybe.
Not maybe.
Maybe.
Not you're scared, Alex.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No.
You
I have the
you
seagull.
are.
I have the
don't
eagle.
have because it's lame. I have this. And this
I'm.
again.
It's a trident.
Head.
Chicken.
I hate. Monkey head. I hate. Monkey. No. Okay, let's continue. Alex wants the mouse. Let's show. I'm gonna show you now my animals.
I'm gonna.
You
show
can
her
see.
animal.
No, it's me. It's mine.
Let's do Tom Wars.
Some words.
Give me that. Give me the hand. Give me the hand.
Okay. I'll give you. Hand.
Yeah.
Alex wins.
So,
This is
we are using-
Magical Sunny Fox, Incredible Arctic Wolf,
you don't
Fabulous Snowy Otter, and
and all of these.
yes.
So I really. Whoa. My mouth.
In Diamond Shop,
I really like. Where is the snow?
I don't have no lava.
leopard?
Cheetah, it's rare. Not rare.
So yeah.
It's gone.
This is a cheetah. This is a cheetah.
Yes, it's so
On 5th of March. Sorry about that. On 5th of March, there will be no snow leopards. They will be endangered. So go and buy one.
yes. Let's continue. Go to Scorpio 4. No.
Kibara.
No. Me. There is no secret in this world, but it's
Oh
new.
wait. Wait. So we did not see. I did not see this. What is this? What the heck is this?
I don't.
Oh, it's a video. Someone is in your tent.
I hate this. Everybody.
What
is like that.
the hell? What's it?
No, you can't.
No.
Ignore.
Whatever.
That idiot.
The black wolf idiot.
Yes.
What is this?
Shop.
Chairs. Shires.
Steel.
Chairs. Chairs. So many chairs in this shop. And house things. Oh, let's go
Oh,
in my
I
den.
don't. Yes. Let's go to Alex then. I'm gonna.
I'm not
Where is Alex?
search that I want to. I will type this. So this is my username. Go and
Mine is Pluton.
here I am. Yeah. Yes. You will see.
You see, we will.
So because I'm not a member, you'll see how lame is my diamond.
Yes, it is lame. Why? Don't go. I know it's some idiot. Yes,
The
it
wolf.
The wolf.
Get out of my
Black
den.
idiot.
Get out of my diamond. Hey. I misspelled out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's continue.
Slap your fist.
Yes. Secret. Here's a secret.
I know the secret.
I know the secret.
I tell you the secret.
So what?
Okay, never mind. We are playing Animal Jam about 5 years.
5 years.
Mhm.
Then, if you dance here, you'll see some magical things.
Yes.
Wait.
Dance.
Dance. Shit spelled. Dance.
We could dance here.
Shake
You
your
can
booty,
see,
guys.
some blue bird flying. I don't know.
Did you see the Jamad statue? If you see that, except of the
Look.
flame,
The
it will be. Let's speed this up because I have to go home. Coral Canyons, yes, I know this. Here again, secret. If you are a deer or a wolf and you jump on this bridge, it will break, I think, and it will be you will become a secret. What is it? You will become a member.
and you can
But
get rare stuff.
yes,
I don't tell you.
these are the epic wonders things. You have another here. And on the other orb
This ball.
orb, we have clothes or animals. I really like the headbands.
I have headwords on me.
Yes, I really like them. I'm jealous. I'm really jealous.
Jealous.
Let me just do something. Let me see.
No, don't.
Okay, let me customize them. I think. How much you have here? No, gross. I really like your app.
I know. No.
Hot.
It was the cat. No.
I really like this.
This is the
Phoenix.
Phoenix armor, and
It's a slow motion. Come on, where are the other clothes? This.
no,
So-
it wasn't that. It was the top.
Here it is.
Yes, it is. Oh.
Headphones. Yeah, let's go to Temple of Ice.
This Ice
Temple of
World.
No.
Ice World.
Fine, empty. Shiver. Cough. If you're a seal, if you're a seal and you hop on this ice, you will break it. See?
And
Here it is.
will go down this ice, and you can go in this
Thing. Tunnel.
in this
Yes, tunnel.
tunnel.
And you will be a
And you
member.
will be a member.
We are going to Temple of Zion. So,
If you sleep here,
yes,
the
phantoms will get out of here. Sleep. Sleep. Okay, never mind. We are going to Crystal Songs, and there are no secrets in here. Here you can have some juice. Because we don't have any time, but okay. But these are the hop sustainable jam. Wonderful! Epic Wonders. Let's go to Epic Wonders. Let's go.
Bunny.
Oh, Bunny! Let me do this. I know. Bunny.
I'm just like you. With my bunny.
Why not? The color of the thing.
No.
What the heck is... Oh, never mind. Okay, you're going to Crystal Reef, and we are gonna show the 3 animals Anna has. So this is an otter, and it's really beautiful. We have a penguin, a dolphin,
You're mine.
Shush.
Shush.
If somebody enters this room, we are gonna tell him, "Shush! I'm filming." Turn on.
This at 8
I
p.m.
forgot the ultimate.
It's like him.
No.
It's like some strange guy.
Yes. Ah,
It's like I don't know.
it's just like I have no idea how it comes. We are being gunny. We are going to be an hotel.
Yes, because it's animals.
Yes.
And it's so
So
super cute.
we don't have any time. Here is the pet shop for details. In Bahar Bay, what does it have? Bahar Bay. So here is a shop. Here is a game. And here you will enter the blue. Here you have a treasure thing. This is another shop. Here, this shop. Yes,
It's a shop, but
a shop. But for do you have a water jar?
Yes, I
No.
have. Okay.
Oh. Oh. There, where do you have to click? Oh, here it is.
This and this. Here, there.
Sunken ship. You want to go through go swim?
You are a poop.
I'm a good pet poop.
Yes.
I'm so confused because we are doing this video on English and we are from Macedonia. Like, what the hell? Candy Cove.
We continue.
We were here. We were here.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
We don't go. Oh, show the adventure.
Oh
Let's
yeah.
come.
No.
No, not here. You can go. Just let them leave.
You can go in the parties.
And give him the mouse.
No. Come on. Load already. Sorry, guys.
Come on.
What? Oh. What are these tickets for?
Summer carnival.
Oh my goodness. So, we are gonna show the secrets of the adventures in another video, the other video, because I have to go home. And bye! Comment down below, like.
See you next video.
Wait. Leave a like. Also, give 100 likes to be. I'm a member. Sorry. And you will see more adventures and Animal Jam videos and Minecraft and survival and Slenderman.
Bye.
Follow us on Instagram, and we have a contest. Who has? You have to draw a drawing. Send us on Facebook or Instagram, and we are gonna upload it on the next video we are gonna do. So goodbye.